Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digit Files. In this video, I am going to show you how to stop apps from accessing files and folder on Mac. So some app ask for permission to access specific folder on your Mac, such as your desktop, documents, and download folders. This allows them to open, save, and manage file when needed. However, if you no longer trust an app or simply don't want it to access the files, you can remove its permission without uninstalling the app. This gives you more control over your privacy while keeping your personal files protected. So if you would like to remove file and folder access for an app, here's what you need to do. First, you have to click on Apple logo at the top left corner and then choose system settings. And now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to privacy and security. Here go to files and folders and you will see the list of apps that have requested access to your files and folders. Click the arrow next to the app if you want to see the specific folder it can access, and turn off the toggle next to the folder you no longer want that app to access. Now here you need to verify yourself either by Touch ID or by entering your Mac passcode, and then a pop-up will appear. Here click on quit and reopen. And if there are multiple folders, you can disable only one you want while leaving the others enabled, and your changes are saved automatically. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.